the Purple Panda lavalier microphone, the Aperture a.lav Easy, and the Insignia universal lapel microphone, otherwise known as the Boya microphone, which you can buy on Amazon right here. Now, the audio you've listened to so far is directly from my iPhone 10, and we're gonna see how that compares to these three babies right now. Let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing of all of these, one at a time, for your unboxing pleasure. So here we have the Purple Panda. Whoa. This is a nice velvety sack, for those of you that like velvet. You'll love that. Okay, so we've got a little, tiny little dead cat here. And here's the mic itself. Whoa. We got a bunch of extensions. Whoa, that's a long extension there. So the main mic and cable looks like a decent length, but it has this huge extension cable if you really need to get far away from your camera, which is cool. So this plug here is a TRRS plug, which is what you need to plug in your iPhone. This plug here is a TRS, which is gonna go into DSLR cameras and things like that. So this guy here is just an adapter. There we go. Now, this will plug into a DSLR. We've got a, what is this? This would have helped. And then we've got this adapter as well, which takes it from TRRS to, I guess, a GoPro Hero 3 Plus is what this says, which I don't have, so I'm not sure I'll be using that one. And I just gotta open this little dead cat, this little Purple Panda here. So you can take this little windscreen off, and if you're out recording video in like a hurricane or something, then you can pop this guy on somehow. How the heck do you get this on? There it is. Okay. Doesn't that look flashy? So then you can walk around like this. You'll be the life of the party. That's cool, isn't it? I want to pet my dead cat. Most of you probably know what this is. For those of you that don't, it just blocks wind, so you don't have a lot of wind noise going into your microphone. That's what these windscreens are for. This is for extreme wind environments, and this is for just your normal, everyday windscreen applications. Okay, next up is the Aperture a.lav Easy. Ooh, that's a nice little case. Very sturdy little carrying case. It's got a nifty little cord strap. The length seems decent. What else is in here? Oh my god! Another dead cat, poor guy. So here's a comparison of the dead cats. The white one is definitely a lot larger than the purple one. How is that going to affect the wind screening ability? I do not know. Now, just in case you're curious, there were no cats harmed in the making of this film. And here is the regular windscreen. It looks a little more substantial. Ooh, this looks like a little miniature Bob Barker microphone from The Price is Right, if you guys remember that.
Come on down, you're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
And I like this one, how it's got a spring clip that attaches the clip to the lav mic itself. So you can easily adjust this, rotate it around. The Purple Panda one just has kind of a plastic clip that just clips to it, and you can't really adjust it. I mean, it feels like if I even try to take it off or move it around, it'll break. But they do send a spare, so in case it does break, so that's good. All right, last but not least, the Insignia universal lapel microphone, which, like I said before, I'm pretty sure it's the same exact microphone as the Boya one, which is again here on Amazon. They look the same to me. So, only the Boya one is a whole heck of a lot cheaper. This was like 50 bucks at Best Buy, so this one's probably going back. And got some instructions in there. What the? Somebody didn't package this right. I'm just kidding. I actually already had this open once. This is definitely the longest cord of the bunch. This is kind of crazy long. This may be borderline too long. I mean, good lord. I can't even find end of the plug here. Oh, we're gonna have a knot here. Here we go. Okay, that was good. All right, I finally reached the end here. So this is the Insignia, and this is the a.lav. The Insignia's clip is quite a bit larger, and I've actually used this a couple times, and I don't really like how far it protrudes out from your shirt once you clip it on. It just sticks way out there. This one is much more low profile, and I think I'm gonna like this a lot better. Pick me, pick me. So the main difference of this one is that it has the ability to put a battery in here. Okay, so as you can see, this has a little switch. You can turn the battery power on or off. If you're plugging into a smartphone, then it'll be off. And if you're plugging into a DSLR that requires external power, then you just switch that up to camera, and it should be compatible with more devices than the previous two. So that's definitely the main benefit of this one, or the Boya. I'm just plugging it into my iPhone, so I don't really need this. I don't even have a battery installed in this, in fact, so it still works fine. All right, so let's get to the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's compare how all of these babies sound. All right, so here's how we're gonna do this. My iPhone 10 that's recording this video right now, we're gonna use the onboard audio, which we've been using for this whole video so far. I've got an iPhone 6s Plus, and I've got an iPhone 6s, and I've got an old iPhone, what is this, 5? iPhone 5s. And each one has one of these lavs plugged into it. And the app that I'm using to record is the Voice Record Pro app on all the phones. We're doing a WAV file, sample rates 48,000, bit depth 24 bits, stereo, and we're just gonna start recording here on all these guys. Everything's recording, everything I say, okay? Now we're still hearing audio from the onboard iPhone 10. I'm gonna start flashing on screen when I convert to a different mic. I wanted to read something funny, so I just Googled something funny to read, and I clicked the first thing, so I'm just gonna start reading whatever is on there. So here we go. Parents spent the first half of our lives teaching us how to walk and talk, and the rest telling us to sit down and shut up. Okay, these are just random jokes, I guess. I didn't plan this very well. No, I don't have PMS, I just really hate you. Okay. My mind works like lightning. One brilliant flash, and then it's gone. These are stupid. Okay, this stuff isn't funny at all. Things to read when you're bored. Just give me something funny to say. Funny poems. Why can't I just find something funny to read? How about I read the back of this box? High quality reading right there. Here, I'm gonna do something a little bit different here because I don't think that's working out. Popsicle. Icicle, testing 1 2 3. Popsicle, icicle, testing 1 2 3. Popsicle, icicle, testing 1 2 3. Popsicle, icicle, testing 1 2 3. Now I'm gonna do a little bit louder. Popsicle, icicle, testing 1 2 3. 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 Now we're gonna do one quieter. Popsicle, testicle. Not testicle. Popsicle, icicle, testing 1 2 3. 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 We'll do some snaps. Do 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 do. 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 Claps. 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 Sally sells seashells down by the seashore. 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 Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Semblance, 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 semblance. I don't know what else to say. So that's it for the test, guys. I am curious to see what you guys think. Which microphone sounded the best? Go ahead and leave that down in the comments below. And I'm definitely curious to see which one you guys preferred. So all of these microphones are going to be linked down below along with their prices. So you can go ahead and click on there and you'll help support my channel by purchasing them through the links. So I appreciate that. Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And like the video if you like it. If you have any questions, leave those down below as well. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm out of here. I don't know. Something funny to read. Let's see. Things to read when you're bored. Top funny sites to read every day. Just give me something funny to say.